You are going to love the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.